I'm Anthony, Principal GIS Dubai. We are one of the fortunate schools which had just concluded the KFI financial program. It was extremely helpful for our students. They learnt about how to handle money, the kind of mistakes their parents would have made. They had the homework or the assignment of interacting with their families, and it also helped them know about the financial situation of their families. And today they shared that in front of everyone, and it's a big learning how to use credit cards, how to save funds for save emergency funds. Brilliant one. We had it last year too, but it was an online session. This time, thanks to the COVID protocols being lifted, we had it face to face. Wonderful program, very interactive. I thank KFI Global, I thank Dubai Islamic Bank for this initiative. I thank Merlin as well as Ms. Jana, who have been conducting the program for us. Thank you very much, KFI Global and DIB.
Hi, my name is Asmi Sandhuja. Today's seminar was conducted and it was so interactive. When we think about seminars, we generally think that, oh my god, it's gonna be so boring, people are gonna sleep. But no, I loved it so much. It was so interactive. We even played a game at the end. We learned that, even slow and steady can win the race. We should have a better foundation and how we're gonna work in the future. I really loved the program because it was so interactive. We were taught that not only debts can be bad, but can also put us in a good financial situation in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Naitik Tiwari, and today's program made me realize the importance of money, in what all aspects the money is useful, the ways we can invest money, and how saving is important for all of us. I like the program because it made me very confident to manage all the expenses, all the daily expenses, the monthly expenses. The expenses sheet that we always make is really important for all of us, and then managing it is even more important. So this program made us realize how managing expenses can be really useful for all of us.
Using money is not only a positive thing but also a negative thing. Knowing how to use money is a good skill one should have.